Baboons, members of the Old World monkey family, are fascinating creatures known for their distinctive appearance and social behavior. Found primarily in Africa, these large-bodied primates are characterized by their long, dog-like snout, pointed chin, and long, bushy tail. Baboons are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. They are omnivores, eating a wide variety of foods including fruits, leaves, insects, and even small animals. The social structure of baboons is unique. They live in troops, which can range from a few individuals to over 200. Troops are led by a dominant male, known as the alpha male, who has the right to mate with any female in the group. Baboon troops are highly social and complex. They communicate using a wide range of vocalizations, facial expressions, and body movements. They also groom each other, a behavior that strengthens social bonds and helps maintain group harmony. One of the most intriguing aspects of baboon behavior is their use of tools. Baboons have been observed using rocks to crack open hard-shelled nuts and twigs to fish termites out of their mounds. Baboons play a crucial role in their ecosystems. They help disperse seeds through their feces, contributing to the growth of new plants. They also serve as a food source for predators, maintaining a balance in the food chain. Baboons are fascinating creatures, not just for their physical appearance, but also for their complex social structures and behaviors. Their use of tools and their role in their ecosystems make them a unique and captivating part of the natural world. Despite their fascinating nature, baboons are facing numerous threats, including habitat loss and hunting. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these remarkable animals. Understanding and appreciating baboons can help foster a sense of connection to the natural world and inspire a desire to protect it. So, the next time you encounter a baboon in the wild, take a moment to appreciate this remarkable creature and the important role it plays in its ecosystem.